Good morning, sixth class students. In previous class we discussed about sets. Now I am going to exercises. This is fourth chapter. A and B I want to finish. Easy. First of all, what is a set? Set is a collection of beautiful objects, defined objects. A set is nothing but a collection of well-defined objects, defined objects. Set of flowers, set of planets, set of even numbers, set of sixth class students, set of boys, set of all math teachers, set of cricket players, set of boys, set of girls of sixth class. So like that you can write innumerable examples. And what are not well defined? The set of beautiful things. Beautiful word is not defined because it changes from person to person. This is very beautiful to you only, but the same thing may not be beautiful to me. It changes from person to person. Above, this is very interesting story. You might have interested, you have liked it, but I may not like it. This movie, this film, this actor, hero, heroine, you like, but I may not like. So such things are not defined. A best player in our place, but he may not in other place. He is clever, cleverest. Clever means he may be clever in our class, but he may not clever in other places. That's why it is changes from person to person, place to place. So such things are not defined. Okay. In fourth A, planets in our solar system. Yes, it is a set. Colors of rainbow. I think we did it. Interesting books. Second one is not, because interesting books not defined. Colors of rainbow. Yes, Vidya. 7 colors we have. It is a set. All difficult problems in your math book. All difficult word also not defined, because it is very difficult to you only. It may not difficult to me. It changes from person to person. And the first one is planets in our solar system. Yes, it is defined. Yes, it is a set. Second, interesting books. No. Third, colors of rainbow. Yes, Vidya. Fourth, interesting. All difficult problems. No, because it is difficult to you, but the same problem I can do easily orally. Fifth, top 5 wickets. The 5 wicket takers in Test cricket. Top 5, no, you cannot define top. 6, intelligent boys, no, not defined. President of India, we can define. Yes, they said 8 good football players, no, we cannot define it. No. And ninth, counting numbers, we can count from 30 to 40. Easily we can count it as 10th, all good schools of India, also not defined. No. 11th, all vowels, we can define vowels. Yes. And all yellow fruits. Yes, there are yellow fruits. We can find yellow fruits. They are defined. Yellow color, yellow. Color yellow we define. One, 3, 5, 7, 1 3 5. What is 5? Top 5 we can take as top 5. Top 5 also not defined. 6 intelligent boys. No. 7 9 7 7 so 5 okay 5 what no 5 interested no 6 no 7th yes 9 yes 11 yes 12 yes correct. And the next belongs, not belongs. This is fourth A, which are sets and which are not sets. And fourth B simply belongs. We have to write belongs, not belongs. Number 1, B belongs, B is not belongs to, and given we have to state true or false. State true or false. Or false. B belongs to A, E, I, O, U. So there is no B. It is true, not given. So true. This is true. First one true. Second one. 6 belongs to set of odd numbers. No. Set of odd numbers. Set of odd numbers. No. So it is false. 6 is even number. It is not belongs to odd numbers. So third. 13 not belongs to set of odd numbers. Third. 13 not belongs to the set of odd numbers. Set of odd numbers. Yes, 13 is odd, but given not odd, not belongs to. So this is also false. Fourth, gold belongs to. Gold belongs to. Not belongs to silver, platinum, gold. Silver, platinum, gold. Gold is given there, so it is not given, so false. Gold is there, gold belongs, but here not given. Fifth, Gitanjali belongs to set of books written by Tagore. Yes. Fifth, yes, true. Gitanjali book written by Tagore. And sixth, Rose. Yeah, very picture now. ఇది ఇక్కడ లేదు అక్కడ తెప్పించేసరికి లేట్ అయింది ఇంకా హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ మోర్ దెన్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ 45 minutes లేట్. ఫిఫ్త్ okay, sixth rose not belong to set of vegetables. Yes, sixth is true because rose is a flower but it is not belongs to set of vegetables. Correct. 1998 is the set of leap year. Seventh one 1998. It is not divisible by 4. 4 to the end. It is not divisible by 1998 is not divisible by 4. So its answer is false. Why? 4 4s are 60, 39, 4 9s are 36, and 3 8 like this. Not divisible. 4 9s are 36, 2 remain. So now, and the eighth, Moon belongs to set of planets of solar system. See, it is there, but it is also belongs to planets. First one true, second one true. Second one 6, the set of even numbers. These are odd numbers. Odd numbers false, even numbers true. Even numbers true. Oh. And third false, fourth false, fifth true, sixth true, seventh false, eighth false. So like this, you can count. Second, next one belongs and not belongs. Belongs and not belongs. Over. Second question, orally you can write. Second question, 4, set A, the set A given here are numbers less than or equal to 90, and set B given B not given. We have to insert belongs and not belongs. Easy. Number 1, 4 dash dash A. Number 2, 7 dash dash A. Third, 9 belongs to A, 9 dash A. And fourth, 13 dash A. Fifth, 19 dash A. And sixth, 2 dash A. See, odd numbers less than 19 given. Odd numbers less than 19, we know 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 7. Up to 17 only we have to write. See, 4 is even number, so it is not belongs. And 7 is odd, it belongs. 9 is also odd, belongs. 13 also odd number belongs. 19, because an equal also given, 19 yes belongs. 2 no. 2 is an even number, not belongs. So very easy like that. Next question, third. 2 is a member of set of first 5 counting numbers. See, third one, 4. Third one, 2 is a member of set of first 5 counting numbers. Yes. Using properly, belongs. Yes, belongs. Write the sentences in a set language using the proper symbols belongs. Set 2 belongs to okay. Like this, 2 belongs to counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Next, D is a member of consonants. Second, D belongs to X is a consonant. X is such that X is a consonant. Consonant. Third one, 32 is not a member of multiples of 3. 32 is not belongs to member of X is such that X is not multiple of 3. Not belongs to X is a multiple of 3. And fourth, India is not a member of set of continents. Yes, India is not belongs to set of X is a continent. Continent. Yes. So like this, you have to continents. Right. So we have completed this B also, and tomorrow another problems. See, please follow. I am giving page number also 81, 82, and please go to previous notes.